today I have two unboxings. Well, one is a reveal because I got it in a couple of days ago. It's for my birthday, okay? My birthday was May 4th. I just got this package in today and I've only opened the main box for this, the shipping box, and I cannot wait to show you guys. I've ordered limited edition bags before and have returned oh my God, what happened? And have returned 3 different ones. And this one here, because I didn't like it, and on the website I thought I did, but this one here, I'm hoping I like it because first of all, my first reveal, I've already looked at this. I ordered this to see if I would like the color. So it is a bag charm, you guys. And this is actually what I bought for myself, okay? Look at here, oh my goodness. So this is my bag charm. I bought this for my bag charm because I wanted a really pretty one for my Neverfull MM, which is a Damier Ebene. No, Damier Azur, I'm so sorry. Damier Azur, and for my pink Pochette Matisse. I thought this would look just amazing with it. And also my Alma BB, it's a black epi leather, but I thought this would brighten it up a little bit. And my Alma BB epi leather, the black one, has silver hardware. So I thought, you know, this would be really nice. And you know what? This hardware on this thing is so much more heavier duty than my other pieces that I have. This is definitely heavy duty. On here it says Louis Vuitton on both sides. I don't know if you guys can see that, but this is such a great piece. It is beautiful. It's perfect for the spring, you guys. And I obviously got my receipt here, but that's not important, right? Okay, my birthday, May 4th, my husband got me this. I've been stalking the website. Wasn't sure if I wanted the Neo No Way. Wasn't sure if I wanted the Neverfull. Wasn't sure if I wanted the Speedy. Finally, I'm like, I know which bag I want, so I'm gonna stock it, and I'm gonna get this one. So you guys, here we go. I am so excited. Now this bag is not for everyone. I understand. It's probably not for the majority of the people. It is the Escal collection, and I have a lot of the classic bags, the brown, you know, monograms. So I wanted other bags, obviously, because I'm not the one that always has to have the classic. Who knows? Maybe in a couple years or 5 years, that's all I may want. But this is what I want right now, you guys. I hope I like this. I have sent so many bags back. Okay, I gotta open this, right? Here we go. Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You guys, this is so pretty in person. Oh my God, this is so pretty. No, really, the leather is so soft. The leather is super soft on this bag. And the silver hardware, so I have 3 Speedies, a Nano, a 25, and a 30. And this one here is the only silver hardware that I have. And my other ones do not come with a clochette. I think the keys are in there. The keys are in there. I can't believe how soft the leather is. It's amazing because I have other bags, a monogram bag that's treated black. It does not feel like this. And a Damier Ebene bag, the South Bank, it does not feel anything like this. This is so much softer. And look how pretty that is. Oh my goodness. Okay, so it's 2 different pieces of canvas. Now, if you get other Speedies, they're usually 1 canvas. So on one side, it'll be a monogram that's upright, and then on the other side it would be upside down because it's 1 continuous piece. But this one is different, and it is done so perfectly. It looks so good, you guys. It's beautiful. Let me go ahead and open it. I know the inside is kind of like a purplish. It's the straps. Talk about soft. Buttery soft. And you know, I never understood it when people would say, oh, my leather is buttery soft. This is literally buttery soft. So it comes in 3 pieces, 1, 2, 3. So you can make it shorter, wear it more like this, or you can wear it like this. I'm gonna go ahead and put the straps on. This is beautiful, you guys. This is beautiful. Okay, I got a booklet, and here's the price tag, so that's there. This has got to be the lock. Where is it? Okay, here's the lock. I am going to put this sucker on right now. Okay, so this is a Speedy 30, okay? Speedy 30 bandolier, which means it comes with the strap. Any Speedy that comes with the strap, a bandolier, their opening is going to be at least an inch smaller or an inch and a half smaller due to it having two zippers. So the two zippers take up space. But if you get the classic Speedy, the opening is wider and there's usually one zipper. So look at that. Look at the inside of this bag. It is like a periwinkle, like a bluish purple. I don't know if you guys know what periwinkle is. So that is so pretty. Look at the pocket. Look at that. It has LV written on the material. Here, here. Look how cute that is. That is so cute. Yeah, it's definitely like a periwinkle color. It's like a bluish purple. And this bag was made in Paris. Well, hold on. Where is that part where it says? I don't know. I don't know. It just says Louis Vuitton Paris right now, right here. So I don't know where the other part is. Anyways, this bag also comes with the clutch, whatever that is, a D-ring. So you can hook your keys on there. But look at that. Look how pretty that is. You guys, this is so much prettier than what I expected. I was so impressed. I can't wait to put all my Speedies together and look at them, you guys, because this is just so pretty. I have to try this on for you guys. I'm not sure if I'm wearing the right outfit, if it's going to stand out, because this is like a mauvish color, a rose. So let me go ahead and show you what this looks like on. My plan is to wear this bag charm, this little mouse one. It's the Chinese New Year. And see that little Speedy it's carrying there? I thought this bag charm would look just adorable with this little piece here, you guys. I am so excited about this piece. I can't believe how much I like this. I was so worried, you guys, that I wasn't gonna like this. If I ended up not liking this, I told myself that I was gonna go back and get the Speedy 25 Bandolier Dame Azur, but I know that was always going to be there, so I thought I'd get something different because I do like fun bags as well. Don't get me wrong, I love the monogram bags. They're my favorites, but I wanted this piece. I wanted something fun, and I wanted something perfect for the spring, even though if I do have other bags, that's perfect for the spring as well, but I so wanted this, and I'm so excited. I cannot believe how much I love this. I definitely recommend this piece. This color, oh God, it's just, and I love tie-dye as well. As you can see, I did take the third or the middle strap off, and I showed you guys what it looked like on. I actually like it with all three of the strap-on. I like the length. I love how it looks crossbody. So anyways, you guys, thank you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe. I have more videos coming, you guys, and I will see you later. and God bless. Bye.